Hi, my name is Devon with Sun Stream Infrared Saunas, and in this assembly video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your roof topper storage box for your Evolve Mini. It will come in a cardboard box, two cardboard boxes. One will be labeled Sauna Box A, and the other will be labeled Sauna Box B. Essentially, one of the boxes is going to hold the smaller side of your storage box, your topper, and then the longer side. For the sake of this video, we're going to be starting with the smaller side. What you're wanting to do here is once you open the box, you'll identify and see that you have a total of 5 of these boxes, right? Sides of your boxes, I should say. Total of 5 of them. What you'll need for this project is going to be one cordless drill, an optional drill bit, never a bad idea to do pilot holes. You'll have the screws that come included in your box, along with a nice flat workbench or work table. If you don't have one of these, you're welcome to do this project on the floor. And for the sake of this video, as we get started with screwing things in, going slowly, we're not going to use any pilot holes. It's not fully necessary, but not a bad idea either. And to get started here, what you're going to want to locate is this longer edge side that has a thicker frame throughout. You'll notice that one of these longer sides has the thicker frame throughout here, and the other ones quite simply do not. So you can see the difference there. This right here essentially is going to be the back of your box. And for this video, you're going to start by putting this downward to begin your project. Once you have this down, you'll go ahead and locate the other same size, box side, but has this piece of trim here. You'll notice it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. And you're going to place it right here along this edge of this bottom box right here. Once you've got this lined up, you're going to want to make sure that everything is nice and flush on both sides. From here, you're going to use your thumb as a clamp to hold everything in place while you grab your cordless drill along with your screw. From here, you'll make contact inside this hole and go ahead and start the screwing in process nice and slow. And you'll feel it grab right there. Go ahead and screw both sides right here. You'll feel it thread in. Start slow. Then you'll feel it grab. Once you've screwed this in safely and securely, you'll go ahead and you'll grab the other side. In this case, grabbing the smaller side here. You're going to want to do the same thing you just did, line it up with the ledge right here to where it makes, good contact and everything looks good. And you'll notice as well, there are holes here on this side that you're going to want to be mindful of as well. So get everything lined up, and the more, flush you got it, the better it'll be in the long run. So get everything nice and flush. Use your thumb or your finger as a clamp. Grab your screw along with your drill bit or your cordless drill and get everything in position here. Starting with the bottom one. Nice and slow, you'll feel it catch. Now that this is securely fastened, you'll do the same exact thing on this other side. Being mindful of pushing and using this ledge here that's not all the way down, this trim piece. That's the side you'll use. And making sure everything, again, is always nice and flush and symmetrical to the best of your ability. Using your thumb or your finger as a clamp, grab your cordless drill and your screw and find those 2 holes here along this bottom edge and get yourself screwed in. Got one. Let's get the other one. Nice and slow. You'll feel it catch. Be sure to get your corners in as well. 2 screws right here. That's 1. Nice and slow. That's 2. You can always double check your work to make sure everything feels nice and flush. Now that this is secured, let's finish this last side here, making sure it fits in between these 2 pieces of trim. There we go. Lining everything up. Grabbing your cordless drill along with your screw. And let's go ahead and finish up this process. And there you have it. Double checking and making sure you've got screws in all along your edges and your corners. And this box is good to go. This is what the product will look like, the box, once you've completed. So this bottom side that you were screwing predominantly all of these other sides to, as you can see, is now the back of your storage box. Now what we're gonna do is grab the other box and rinse and repeat the exact same procedure we just did here with this box with the larger box. At this point, you should have 2 boxes, the smaller one and the longer one, fully complete and built out, right? They're 2 standalone structures. Now it's time to put the boxes together in order for them to go along the front of your Evolve Mini where that nice window is, and then the side of your Evolve Mini, which is where the door entrance is. To combine them, you'll notice that you've got 4 extra screws that come inside the longer box, installation box there. Now to combine them, this is very important. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have access to these 4 holes that are inside of here, right? And you're gonna have this side right here, the longer box, is gonna be a part of the front-facing side of your Evolve Mini, where that nice glass window is, right? This side right over here is where the door is. As you're getting ready to screw in the 2 boxes into one another, you wanna make sure that everything is nice and flush and that everything is nice and square. You should have a very clean 90-degree angle here. What you'll do is you grab your screw and your cordless drill, find those holes inside, and very slowly thread it in until you feel it catch. You've got 4 holes in here, so we're gonna go to all 4 of them and get everything nice and screwed in. Congratulations, you have successfully built your roof topper storage box for your Evolve Mini. From this point going forward, you'll notice that there are 2 holes inside of the bottom outside facing edge of this roof topper box. There's 2 on each box. Those holes are going to be utilized whenever you take this box and put it on top of your Evolve Mini. You'll secure the box to the top of the Evolve Mini utilizing the 2 screws that came in each box, all 4 included, to screw them in to hold this box and secure it on top of your Evolve Mini. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.